Have you ever faced a problem while adjusting the width of columns in Excel? In this video, I am going to discuss three methods that will automatically adjust the width of the column. First, double-click to Autofit. Select the columns for which you want the width to be adjusted, and then double-click on the edge of the column where the cursor changes. Second, use shortcut key. Select all your data by pressing Ctrl A. Then press Alt H O I. Alternatively, you can go in the Home tab, click Format, and then click Auto Fit Column Width. Third is using VBA code. This method is so good that it will adjust the width of the column as you type. Right-click on the Worksheet tab, and then click View Code. The code editor will appear. Switch from General to Worksheet, and then type in the second line cells.entirecolumn.autofit. Then close the VBA editor and see the results. Hope you liked the video. Till next time.